Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. Today I will show you that how can we display user profile image on navigation menu in Oracle Apex. To do this, first we need to create application item, then we need to create application process. So let's start. First we need to create application item. Create. And from security section, select session state protection is unrestricted. Create application item. Our application item is created. Now we need to create application process. From share component, application process, and create new process. We need to give the name of application process. Suppose our application process name is getImage, and in point section we need to select Ajax callback. Ajax callback run this application process when requested by paste process. Next, in PLSQL code section, user login user image is stored in employee information table. Create process. Our process is created. Now we need to create navigation bar where we want to show image. From share component, in navigation bar list, desktop navigation bar, create new entry. From target type, we need to select URL, and URL target is hash. In budget value section, we need to add this line. Create list item. and login user image is display on navigation bar. Now we can change image size from here. Edit, grid edit, so login user image is display on navigation menu. I think this video will help you to show login user image on navigation menu. Thank you everybody for watching this video.